Choosing between the Garmin Fenix 8 and the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra? Let's break down these rugged beasts and see which one belongs on your wrist. Price and size options. Garmin Fenix 8 gives you size choices: 43, 47, and 51 mm. Plus, it has solar charging models. Samsung, one size, 47 mm. Now, when it comes to price, the Galaxy Watch Ultra is the cheaper option at £599 or $649, while the Fenix 8 starts at a hefty £949 or $999 and goes up from there. Design and build. Both watches are built like tanks: titanium cases, sapphire crystal displays, and can survive up to 100 meters underwater. But here's the thing. Garmin Fenix 8 takes durability up a notch with a built-in torch and a dive mode for recreational diving up to 40 meters. Samsung can't match that, but it does look sleek and packs its own rugged charm. Smart features and OS. The Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra runs on Wear OS 5, so you've got access to the Google Play Store and apps like Spotify, Google Maps, and Google Pay. Plus, it supports LTE, so you can ditch your phone and still stay connected. Garmin's Fenix 8 runs its own OS, solid but with fewer apps. There is Garmin Pay, but no LTE. Both offer 32 gigs of storage, voice controls, but Samsung takes the lead here with its sleep apnea detection, advanced ECG, and blood pressure monitoring, which Garmin lacks. Fenix 8 is an ECG-capable device, but at present, ECG is only approved or authorized for people in the US. Battery life. Here's where Garmin crushes it. 29 to 48 days of battery life compared to Samsung's 2 to 3 days. That's right, weeks versus days. Even with always-on displays or GPS tracking, the Fenix 8 comfortably lasts longer than the Galaxy Watch Ultra. GPS and tracking performance. For GPS and navigation, Garmin Fenix 8 is the clear winner. It's accurate, even in tough environments like dense forests or urban jungles, or even open water swim. It's loaded with performance analysis tools that are perfect for anyone training for major events. Whether you're optimizing productivity or figuring out when to train, this watch has it all. Samsung doesn't quite match that level of detail. Even its tracking accuracy is a hit or miss. Samsung has improved with dual-frequency GPS, but it still falls short in more challenging conditions. Garmin's also perfect for explorers, offering full mapping, something Samsung lacks. Health monitoring. Samsung takes the lead with blood pressure tracking and sleep apnea detection, both missing on the Fenix 8. Samsung's sleep tracking is also top tier, while Garmin's focuses more on training readiness and recovery for athletes. Garmin does offer the option to connect to external heart rate sensors, which Samsung can't. That said, Garmin also includes a broader range of specialized fitness and training metrics that Samsung lacks. If you're an outdoor enthusiast who loves adventures, the Garmin Fenix 8 is a beast, loaded with fitness metrics, a built-in torch, and unbeatable battery life. But if you're more about health tracking and want a smartwatch that integrates seamlessly with your Android phone, Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra is your guy. That's it for today's comparison. Let us know your pick in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching.